So guys, hello. Today we will do middle split with squat. So let's go. For middle split, we need a good flexibility of your hips, and for this, so will help you position squat. So let's go. Don't be rush. Be careful. So go to this position, and also this position, good stretch your glutes, your muscles, all of them for middle split. Also we start from warming up. Yes, it's in general, it's very important because warming up safety your muscles from ache from difficult exercise. And also we can put your elbows to knees and gently press. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and press so strong how you can. Also don't forget about your breath. So inhale and exhale, and please stay also with straight back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, super. Right now we will do this little move. Yes, for rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so gently go out from this position to this. Will be compensation after squat position. Please sit in wild position of your legs. If you have strong back, you can sit without hands. If you feel that you don't ready without hands, don't worry, you can stay by your hands, but not this way, only this. So please straighten your back, shoulders must be see back position. And right now we will gently put your knees to the floor one by one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Okay, cool. After that we gently go to the butterfly position. Yes, also if you beginner, you can stay in this position. If you middle or open level, you also please make you lift a little bit harder and put, yes please, I will bring. Also you can put 2 if you want. Okay, yes. Also hug your feet, straight your back, inhale and exhale and go down. So let's go 8 times. So inhale, exhale. So let's go. Don't be rush. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So inhale, exhale and go down how you can. Also, if you train with someone, please ask him about help your, and also you can gently press by your knees So do you feel anything? Okay, so also we can. Okay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so gently go out from this position. Yes, cool. And the next exercise will be a little bit harder, but also possible to do it. So we go to our elbows by this position and also stay by this position butterfly. And what we do in this exercise? In this exercise we have 3 main points. So first of all, we straight legs. If you can lower, take, please take. If you can't, you can stay in floor, but we experts, so we must be in the air. Open, yes, open and close. So first point straight, the second open, and the third will be close. So, and also if you can do this more faster, you can. So it will be rounds. But if you can't make the circles, don't worry, you can do this exercise by points, how I said. Yes, but if you can do the circles, it's so good. You also have not medium, middle level. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and also another side. Open, straight, and close. Open, straight, and close. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Okay, you can go for your back, hug your legs. Yes, it will be compensation. You can go one side and another, also with breathing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the next one will be this. So open your legs by this position. Try to take it, and one by one we will down, yes, your leg. So one knee and another. So we'll be left and right, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also, I can press anything. Okay, so you feel anything in this exercise? Okay, I know a solution. So please lie to your yoga blocks. Yes, we will be higher, and I think it will be the next level. Don't work. Okay, so it's excellent. She don't need practice with this. Okay, will be harder. So stay in this position, please. And the last position, and try open legs with straight knees. Yes, and right now we need to put our toes to the floor. So let's go. Right now we'll be left, and after that we'll be right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Да, качаемочка, качаемочка. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and I will press the two legs at the same time. Okay, so right now you feel?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so let's go. 1 more, 2, 3,
Perfect.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so it's really good exercise for your squat. So yes, gently go out from this position. Also, we can hug your legs. Yes, breathing and have relax. Also, you can sit or lie. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. And one more exercise today. So please do this exercise. So one knee lie and another also go to this knee, and two knees must be by one line. Yes. Also, if you want more stretch, you can open your legs. So, and we inhale and exhale and go down. It's excellent exercise for compensation exercise also. And just in this position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, lift your body and also gently change your legs and repeat. So inhale and exhale and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and up. Super. And so let's try make again a squat. After this exercise, it must be more easier than so. Yes. After this exercise, I feel that I can more easily open the squat, and also I can easily bring my back straight. Also, stay in this position how long how you can. Also, you can have a breakfast in this position. Also, you can have just meal in this position. Also, maybe tell about phone, chats with someone. Also, work if you have this time, of course. Also, you can sleep if you want, and if you will sit anywhere and squat, you will feel more energy and also more healthier. So guys, thank you so much for this video. I so appreciate that you decide to spend time with us, and see you soon. Bye bye. So, and write in the comments, do you like see more videos with squat positions? So bye bye.